Enzo Ferrari is reported to have called the Willys Jeep the only true American sports car, and it's also one of the very few things designed by a committee that turned out to be a success. The Jeep legend began in November 1940, in the early days of World War II, just a year before the United States entered the war. From 1941 to 1945, Willys produced 300,000 of the MB model, the original go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle, which came to be known by its nickname, Jeep. The MB evolved into the M38 military model, which featured a waterproof ignition system. Then, during the Korean conflict, Willys redesigned the M38 and it became the M38-A1, with a longer wheelbase, softer ride, a more powerful engine, and a new, more rounded body style. The M38 stayed in production through 1962. For over 75 years, the Jeep brand has been indelibly linked to freedom, adventure, authenticity, and passion. Colonel Marlene Van Beuren with the South Carolina State Guard G1 Personnel Office is the proud owner of an M38A1 and gave us a little look around.
Hi, my name is Marlene Van Beuren, and I'm a colonel with the South Carolina State Guard. I've been with the State Guard for about 6 years. I was in the United States Navy for 4 years. And I was an aviation safety inspector with the Federal Aviation Administration. But what you don't know about me is I own this 1954 M38A1 Jeep. And I'm just going to kind of walk around and just try to tell you some of the specs on it. The first thing I want to mention is the 50 caliber machine gun. It's a Browning. It's not a real one, it's a mock, but everything else is actually original and real, and probably has been used at some point. I'm going to walk around over here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's a 24 volt. It has 2 batteries, which actually make it 24 volt, and they're actually right there. And this is a connector if you want to jump another military vehicle that is also 24 volt. I'm going to kind of open this up for you a little bit, and I'm going to show you the engine. Now, this engine is waterproof. You can actually go into the water, right, and actually you can go, and this thing could be covered with water right up until the windshield. Everything in the engine is all waterproof. It's all sealed. And there's the actual radiator, and it's a basic carburetor engine, only it is waterproof, and it's really heavy duty. This is a night light. Basically what this is for nighttime, so your enemy wasn't able to see you. That's the antenna. That's actually one of the antennas. There's another antenna in here, which actually connects into this right up in here. And here's the radio pack. I'm going to reveal that. That's the cover. And this actually works from what I was told by the individual that I purchased it from. Walking around here, there's the gas tank. Is actually, I'm sorry, here's the gas tank. Is actually under the seat, right here. So it's kind of a strange place to put a gas tank, but these things were meant so they were compact. And I've never heard anything bad about it. I've never heard of any kind of an incident, with it actually being there. So come take a drive with me and help support the South Carolina State Guard.
get scratching.